Hey guys, today I'll show you how to get new teammates or get into new teams without having to do much social media searching or online searching. And keep in mind, this is completely free, so I'll show you this now. It is this website, and I'll be including a link in the description, which is called Dream Team. It gives you the option to choose your skill level, and that means you're gonna play with players with the same skill level, so you won't have to do much searching, or you won't have to struggle with worse or better teammates than you, so you can level up at the same time. Now, in my case, because I'm in the CS:GO category, there is a bunch of stats displayed. So here you can see some information. My current rank is Gold Nova 1, which is not bad. It's alright. Uh, my tactical roles include strategies. I get to give commands to people on how to spread out, which people should go with which people. Here you have a bunch of stats for people to see. I should mention that this site is still under construction, that's why you cannot select Fortnite or Dota 2 or any other game. All you can select for now is CSGO and League of Legends, but if you wait just a little bit more and you have a little bit of patience, you're gonna be able to go on these categories. Definitely try this out if you are struggling to find teammates, and if you do not already know, solo queuing, which is basically going on matches alone in CSGO, it's the worst thing, and makes you derank really fast. That's why I recommend this site. I will be showing you what it looks like when you're searching for players. If you want to search a player, you just choose your skill groups. One is just started, so you're new to CSGO. Two, you're on the silver line, which goes from silver 1 to silver elite master, and I'm currently on level 4, which I'm on Gold Nova 1. The maximum amount of levels you have selected is 1 or 2, like I have from specialist to advanced, and that basically means that I play with players with same skill, pretty much as good as me, and they might be better or a little bit worse. But what you do not want to do is select your skill group, so 4, and then put these three skill groups away. You're gonna play with players that are better than you, and basically it doesn't work. After you figured out how to use this bar, you wanna go down and go to main roles. We have snipers, we have assault specialists, and we have support. If you check assault, that means you're really good with assault rifles, and if you check support, that means you are good at supporting people with grenades and molotovs and stuff. Tactical roles, you can leave this unchecked if you want. If you are good with leading people, you should click captain. And if you are a good strategist, so you can plan things out well, then you should check this box. Server regions, this is really useful because if you want players to have a similar ping to you, let's say you lived in Australia, you would click Australia. It really has a wide range of selections. Location is if you for some reason want to have players from the same country. If we go to languages, if you speak multiple languages, you can have multiple languages up in there, which is really useful. So let's say you speak English, Spanish and German, you'd put it there and they'd give it there. Now I do not know the limit of how many languages you can have here. It's still a useful tool. It's just mainly there to make sure that you are matched with players who speak the same language. Specify what you want. So if you want players with the same age as you, which I'm 15, I would click 16 or lower. And let's say you're 17, or let's say you're 20, you'd click players who are 16 or older. That's the age part. Now, main goal, this is really important, because if you want the page to show you players who want to play professionally, you click this. if you want the page to show you players who play for fun, and you just want to have fun and not really focus on ranking or playing seriously, you just click this. And the same thing goes for competitively. If you are wondering what the difference is between the players who play professionally and the players who play competitively, it's basically that players who play professionally, they go on tournaments, they go on sponsored matches, which if you're watching this tutorial you don't need any of that. If you wanna play competitively, which means you wanna rank up, you just press that, and that's what I currently have in my profile. The site will show you players who want to play seriously and who want to rank up. At the end you can always click reset if you want to start from the beginning, or you could click show players, and then the site will show you players that match your filters. So that's about it in this tutorial, and please keep in mind that this site is still under construction and they will add more games later, like Fortnite and PUBG and Overwatch. That's why I'd recommend you check it out in 2 to 3 weeks time. Tonight.